Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the two main elements that you could use to become financially independent and find the right product to put on your dropshipping stores and start selling. Now, one of the major things that a lot of people tend to face, and individuals that do not understand the dropshipping niche, is that they are unable to select products that can be sold every single day, and obviously break the limitations of age, gender, and location. And obviously with ecomhut.com, this is the place to find the right product that you want to get. And obviously all you need to do is click on register and start finding products that you can sell and put on your dropshipping account. Now, one of the things I love about the fact that Ecom Hunt goes in great detail and talks about the available information on the profits, the analytics, the engagement, the links, the Facebook ads, the videos, the targeting, and the retail price. So basically all you need to do is click me, show the money. And as you click that, it gives you a complete breakdown of when this was posted, where you can see it. You can see it on AliExpress, you can see it on AutoDS, and exactly what this product is, and with all the different pictures available on the product. Now, obviously, once you click on read more, you can see the complete breakdown of this particular product. And the thing that really makes it stand out is the fact that it gives you a breakdown of the selling price that it's being sold on the internet for right now, the product cost of what you can get, and the profit margin that is available. They also have a saturation inspector to give you how many actual stores are selling this product. As you can see, the total stores selling this product is 23. So clearly the actual number of individuals selling this product is quite low. And if you put this product and sell this product, you can actually make $22 on it as well. And you got more information about the profits, the analytics, the engagements, and all you need to do is register to get this information. You can find this information about hundreds of different products that are available on the internet. If you click on tools, you can look at the Ecom Hunt Classic, the Ecom Hunt Live, the Lucky, the Tracker, the Admin. If you click on Ecom Classic, this is the dashboard that comes in. As you can see, you have all the information that is available about different products, and all you need to do is click on that product to get the full information about exactly what product you want to get. If you look at the Ecom Tracker, which I feel is very unique and very interesting, because you get the complete breakdown of different products that are available on the internet right now. If you click on the dashboard, you'll be able to see certain information that you usually don't find. There are 4,302 products, there are 2,233 products, there are lucky products, they're monitoring 25,000 products right now. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the actual up-to-date information about different products that are available, how many sales that they've done, how many sales they've done in 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, what is the growth percentage overall. You can clearly find out and actually select a product that is actually something that can be a seller for you and start making you money. They also have different resources such as the Ecom courses, the Ecom ebooks, the YouTubes, the podcasts, and the community. Now, I personally love the fact that these courses are available. We can check the courses, we can find out more information. Now, one of the major things you have to keep in mind about reading and researching is the more you read and the more you research, the more information that you're going to have. And then you can base your strategies, understand the dynamics of the niche. Then after understanding the dynamics of the niche, you will mitigate the chances of you actually not doing well in this industry. And that is the reason why I always mention to every individual that wants to get into this particular niche to do their research. The more research that you do, the better you're gonna get at it. Now, obviously, once you have done your research, you need to join the community on Facebook, because Ecom Hunt is a very interesting group that's available. All you need to do is click on join the group and you'll be able to enter this group, and then you can get up-to-date information. There's 83,900 members right now. There's a one post that's come daily, and obviously this was created 5 years ago. So if you want to know anything about winning products, if you want to stay ahead of the game, get that competitive advantage, then definitely join this group. Now, the second platform that I'm going to talk about is called dropshiprabbit.com. Now, this is a very interesting website because you got free services like free products, free ad spies, free TikTok spies, different tutorials on how to survive your business online, the Facebook ad beginners group and guide, and the Facebook ads for dropshipping. Then you got winning products, you got the Ad Spy Pro, you got audience builders, the memberships, and different levels that are available, the affiliates that you can use as well. And you can just click on login and you can check their social media handles on the top. Now, if you want to be a successful store owner and you don't want to waste your money on bad products, then this is definitely the place to be, because becoming part of the Dropship Rabbit, you can take advantage of all their benefits. You can find out profitable products on TikTok. You can get instrumental and find the most viral product on TikTok, and obviously use the actual TikTok spy to find the up-to-date information about different products that are being actually advertised, pushed, and promoted on TikTok. You can also check the Facebook Spy. With the instrument, you will find the best-selling products on Facebook. Now guys, one of the major things that you need to understand that we live in a digital age right now, and obviously that means that in this age of the internet, there's so many information that is available on the internet, and we need to understand what people are talking about, what people are interested in, and by using this methodology, we can focus on actually getting the right information and doubling down on that and scaling our business based on that information, because there's so much available, there's so many different niches available, and over 2,000 winning products in the most popular niche. It could be car accessories, gadgets, gifts, health and beauty, home and kitchen, kids and baby, outdoors, pets, phone accessories, sports and fitness, and tools as well. And they help you with building your audience on Facebook as well, because the best interest when dropping in a Facebook ad for each popular niche, it helps you increase sales, guys, because there's a lot of audience available on social media. If you can harness those audience, if you can bring those individuals onto your stores and start selling your products to them, you can develop a loyal following, a customer base that is going to be massive. Just imagine if you have 1 million followers and even 1% of those individuals come to your store every single day, and they tend to buy at least 1 or 2 products, that will literally turn your fortunes around. And with a ready viral video that's going to be available, can save up to $200 and use a video ready for an ad for every single product. It's going to help you release an ad immediately without losing valuable time and money, guys. And at the end of the day, this is what we need, guys. If you want to start your dropshipping business, you want the right support, the right guidance, and the right strategy, so you can ensure that you never make a mistake, and every time that you put a product, it goes viral and people start buying it. And with the right product spy, you can find over 2,000 winning products without losing countless hours to find the best ones, because it saves you time and it saves you money. They have all the opportunities for extra income as well with Google Trends, because it shows the growing interest to a product in real time according to the search in Google. And they have different providers and suppliers that give the providers all the best options for a direct delivery in the United States and in the UK. And this is one of the major things and the mistakes which a lot of young dropshippers tend to make, is that they focus on China, they focus on Taiwan, they focus on Japan, they focus on warehouses that are far away from the UK and the US. And what that does is that whenever you want to get that product, it takes so long to get that product to you, and it takes even longer to get that product to your customer. So you got to make sure that you have warehouses that are available in the US, in the UK, so you can get the products immediately and get it to your customers immediately. With a store spy, they monitor over 300,000 stores for you to give you the trending and winning products, and they add products manually every single day. So stop wasting time and money, guys, and get onto dropshiprabbit.com. Now, if you got any questions, guys, whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, and support you. They have different member levels as well. They have standard, which is $14.99 per month. They have the standard plus, which is for $89.94 per year. They have the premium for $19.99 per month, and the premium plus for $119.94 per year, guys. So if you want to find out the right product to get, the right information, then this is the place for you. Always start with the basic, and you can always upgrade later on and increase your membership level. Now, guys, if you need any support, you can always ask me in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.